Former Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi has once again sent shockwaves through the political landscape with damning accusations against President William Ruto. His remarks come in the wake of his dismissal from office, where he was replaced by Mbir North MP Geoffrey Ruku. In an explosive interview on NTV, Muturi did not hold back, accusing the president of hypocrisy in his anti-corruption stance. While Ruto publicly champions the fight against graft, Muturi claims he is secretly involved in questionable multi-billion shilling deals. He is quite a dangerous character. I think Ruto is unfit for the position of president. I've no bitterness. This is my assessment, Muturi declared. When I watched him talk to members of my cabinet saying, "I don't want to see corruption," I wondered, who is this talking? He further alleged, yes, Ruto is absolutely, very irredeemably corrupt. To back up his claims, Muturi cited an incident where Ruto allegedly pressured him to approve a $129 billion deal with Russian oligarchs for a tree planting initiative. According to the former CS, the deal violated government financial procedures, as such funds must be processed through the National Treasury, not directly through a ministry. I was invited to COP28 in Dubai, which ended up being about the Adani Airport deal, Muturi explained. While I was there, some Russian oligarchs wanted to invest $129 billion in Kenya. I landed in Dubai and received a phone call from Ruto, who told me that the Russians were waiting at the airport and I needed to sign the documents. I declined, saying I needed to review the documents in the office. Muturi further alleged that Ruto's projects are often designed as money-making ventures rather than genuine development initiatives. They brought me a memorandum of understanding, and I told them that the money could only come in as a grant, but it couldn't go directly to the ministry. It had to go through the Treasury. The former CS also waded into the controversial Arrow and Kimware Dam scandal. The Kenyan government had secured a $63 billion loan from Italian firm CMC de Ravenna, but the project was marred by financial irregularities and accountability issues. I refused to sign the Arrow Kimware Dams project. The Italians were paid billions. In Kimware, nothing has happened because the report provided was faulty, Muturi stated. Ruto held meetings with the Italian Prime Minister and the President. On 3 occasions, I was invited by the head of public service to accompany the team. I wondered why, because the country was losing $38 billion on the project. They wanted me to sign, and I declined. Muturi asserted that he has digital copies of documents to substantiate his claims. However, he dismissed allegations that his recent criticism of Ruto is fueled by personal vendetta, insisting that he is speaking out based on principle and his observations while in government. His revelations add yet another layer of complexity to the already turbulent political climate. As the public and political leaders digest these claims, the focus now shifts to how Ruto's administration will respond, whether through denial, counter-accusations, or legal action. Meanwhile, Muturi's statements continue to stir debate, with some seeing him as a whistleblower exposing corruption at the highest levels, while others view him as a disgruntled former official seeking revenge.